So like just to make one thing clear, because it's starting to feel like when I'm singing, and this is a good thing, or I think it is, when I breathe and I'm like doing my scales, for example, my throat feels good. It feels like the notes are really being like made by the shape of my throat, as apart from like where it used to feel like I was driving into them, but now it feels like I'm kind of a little bit more on top of them. Is that how it should feel? Like that, like it's kind of like you can feel your throat making the shape, or
no? You should feel your mouth. You should feel your voice like a ladder.
Yeah. Okay,
your voice I'm talking about. So when I'm low, and I'm climbing, it feels like I'm climbing a ladder.
So literally, as far as the feeling should feel, when I'm up high, it's like...
Yes, resonate in the head when I'm in chest. Yes.
Yeah.
With what we're doing. But then as well too, you said my throat should be making the shape. No, your mouth is the articulator of the sound. Because if we go so or art, they're two different sounds. We can't go art, it will sound classical. And we can't go sa, it will sound like you're in Blink 182.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, your mouth is the articulator.
Okay,
and I haven't gone into that just yet. I've given you the art vowel. And in the future, I will give you all 5 vowels, because one of the first things that I wrote down is that I want your mouth to work a lot more.
Well, I'm feeling that a lot more with just like noticing that I'm putting now more smiling. Like when I'm doing it, I can feel I go for those big notes and I'm like wide, and I feel them like wide. And even when I'm screaming, I feel like I shape the sound by being like wow, and then it like comes down to that more sort of smaller sound.
Yes. You're going to get a lot more knowledge and skill set when I give you all the 5 vowels, because the rule with singing, man, is you can only sing vowels or scream vowels. It doesn't matter what it is. You can't scream a syllable or a consonant. You can't scream P. It's P.
E.
It's E. Yeah, it's the vowel of E. So it doesn't matter what you do. All we do is we go from one vowel to the next. There's only 5. So it's, watch your mouth. E, C, heart, soul, U. So there's really two kind of horizontal. E, C, heart, soul, U. But if we go up higher, it's E, C, heart, soul, U. Down low. E, C, heart, soul, U. So again, another rule with singing is less down low, more up top, smaller mouth placements, smaller volumes, less support. Up top, bigger mouth placements, bigger volumes, more support.
Okay.
I'll give that to you in the future, because pitching is probably more important at the moment.